Hello. Howdy, howdy, everybody. Ah. Well, here we are. The final day. Ah. Alright, final day of Genshin Impact Remade in Unreal 4. Unless I decide to cheat, which I might, honestly. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, I don't want to waste too much time, so I'll just say this is basically everything that I'm still going to try to get done by today. By the end of the day. So I need to get the character menu set up, get equipment working. I have chests, content generator, basically just randomize what is. I can have a single button I can click that'll randomize what's in chests. I get adventure rank in. I may not even include this because I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Crafting, that's the whole system, and then dungeons. So probably the primary thing will be. Oh, player. Swimming, gliding, yeah. Oh, elements, right. Probably the primary thing will be dungeons and character menu, and we'll see what else we can do. I will probably be working after the stream is over. Don't know how long I'll go to because obviously I'm starting much later today. But yeah, by the end of today, we'll see what I have, and that'll be the end. Okay, so let's not waste time. Let's toss that on and get to work. So first thing I need to do is the character. Oh, yeah. So I got a quest menu kind of in. Oh, hang on. I have to actually start a quest first. So one thing, and this is what I should have probably done more research, is I went to the Genshin wiki and realized, oh, it actually kind of lists all the different game systems. So this would have been a better way to structure. Yeah, it is a lot. We'll see what I can actually get done. But this actually lists all the kind of core elements in the game. So I try to go through this and be like, all right, what can I look at the things? What can I condense down from here? So exploration is mostly just like finding and interacting with stuff. That's pretty simple. I already have interaction in. Quests. I have, or not quests, chests. I have chests here. I have a way of handling their rank or their rarity. It's just a slider. I would probably hit randomize loot to random. I mean, it doesn't do anything right now, but that just randomizes what's in there, and I can set up parameters for deciding what's in there. I did create an editor script right here called Item Builder, and basically what this does is I can just add in a few different, and it's nowhere near done. It probably won't be ready. I probably won't actually be able to work on this much, but essentially it just adds in a. I can add in a few parameters, then say how many of this item I want, then I can run it. And then it'll automatically generate a certain number of assets. For example, here I basically put in some general parameters for a potion item, and then if I go to game data, and then I ran it, and it created a new folder called consumable, a new folder called potions, and created these three assets, which right now aren't really anything because the parameters I set up are pretty limited, and I still haven't gotten gameplay effects working, so that's stupid. But excuse me. So I may create a simplified version of gameplay effects. I don't know. But, yeah. So I guess I'll get to work. So character menu. So yeah, I've already gotten swapping characters in here. So what I should probably do is create a party menu so I can easily swap people in and out. Let's do that. Game systems, party. Do I have a menu? I have a character menu, but not a party menu. Menu. Party. Ooh. So this one's basically it renders a character on screen, right? Let me pull up. Impact party menu. Also get some nice music going. Ease. Maybe I want ease? Sure. How about? Here we go. Let's go with this. We'll see. Okay, party menu. Well, probably best to just condense it down to a few different systems that will actually include. So, but party is a pretty important one. Save image as Genshin party menu ref. Save the pictures. I'll even make a new folder for reference images, just so they're easily findable and deletable when I'm done. Okay. Reference party menu. Should also probably make a new folder specifically in there for menu stuff. Actually, since it's for HUDs and menus, we'll call it UI. Excuse me. That's the HUD. That's what I want. All right. Data lister. Oh, and actually, I'm probably not gonna have more than one like party formation available. I don't know how long that'll take to set up, but still, I'll lay out the menu properly. The background is gonna be the tricky bit. How I want to do that. All right. And spacer. No, 0.2. Uh, 0.1. I think that'll do. All right. Default assets. All right. Party. Yeah. Probably best is to put a mesh inside each party member instance so that I can just call that mesh in. I don't know. Game systems, party, UI, data widget, party, let's say, party formation member. I'm hoping the hardest stuff is behind me. Oops. Let's see what we got. It's a vertical box. Actually, do we want to use overlay? Ah, yeah. Oops. 500, 400 is probably better. Because, yeah. Next. Horizontal box because it needs to show the element next to the name. Also got assets for elements in, so yeah, I can use those as reference, or use those, like, I can have those in. Not that elements do anything. I have a system set up, or a way of referencing different in elements. Hang on. If I go to my elements folder, so I set up elements, and I have an option here to have combo reactions. So like when fire hits wind, it can have a certain gameplay effect on anything that'd be in an area where it hit. But I got no functionality for that now, and I probably won't because I still think gameplay effects aren't quite working. In fact, I meant to check on that. I'm gonna gameplay effect H, yes. Hang on, gameplay effects. I wanted to check on what the problem with targeting was. The gameplay. Okay, generation controller. Effect begin type target actor. Oh, okay. So I think the issue is maybe in the combatant. Basically, when the combatant creates the effect, it needs to be able to set who the target is. Effect. Create effect. If does it ever reference the target again? Local effect attached to actor. Oh yeah, if target. Okay, so I need a. I do need to rework the code long term, but I think basically what happens is when I create the effect, it looks like it just attaches the effect to the target, like it makes it a child of them. So I should need to access the parent actor to have an effect work. In fact, let me try that out, because if I get that working, that's going to be pretty important. Actors, effects, normal damage, get owner, valid. Actually, hopefully this won't crash. Let's even see if it works. Where's that attack ability of mine? Let's see. Spawn. No. If. Get combatant. Effect. Create effect. Make it. No. Effect normal damage. Power by of 1. Alright. So, let's pull up the world outliner. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything happen to them. Get away from him where he can't reach me. Enemy. Nope, it's not. Frick, it's not working. It could be because it's being destroyed instantly. It might be an issue. Effect normal damage. Instant on trigger. So let's say begin. On effect, begin play. Nah, it's still... Ah, boy. It's not even creating it, it looks like. Where's the player ability? I don't know. Play. It doesn't even run through there, because that could be... It could be that it just has no owner. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't have an owner, and that's why. Well, frick that. Let's see where it ends up, then, at least. Whee, run away, run away. Oh, it is. It is. It's applying. Okay, it's attaching the effects to them. So that's actually working. And every time you do a new one, it reattaches. So what on earth? Get parent. Ah, probably parent actor, not owner. That's the trick. Okay. Wait. Was it applying? Because that would be epic. It's still not displaying their name. But it's showing them as a parent actor. I don't understand. I'm so confused. Child actor. Let's try that, because that should. It literally is a child actor. It's attached. What the frick? How long does it take? 5 frames? It's showing right there. It's attached. Actor. Get parent actor. Ah, boy. Detach from actor. And the code of Omega never specifies it. And here's the thing, I just pushed a new version of Omega, like a new update to it, so I can't really push another one just yet. So I can't update this. But what I will do is I will go ahead and say, let's see, local effect, where is it? Gameplay local effect. Spawn deferred actor. Local effect. Set owner. Can I set the owner? Set the owner will be if the target is valid. Say if target, then oops. Set owner as target. Then whenever I push this next update, it should work. All right. Actually, we should also say target actor equals target. I can't believe I missed that. That might explain why I was having some issues with this in the past too. Okay. Anyway, file save that. Don't build it yet, though. Okay, so how do I get the actor it's attached to? Is attach. Get maybe this? Get attached parent? No. There we go, and it's attached to the collision collider. Get owner. Maybe that'll work. This is not an ideal workaround, but I can at least get stuff functioning with it. Okay, so that actually gets the attached. That'll work. Node. Get target. And now we can actually do that. Let's see. Apply. No. Get combatant. Class. Or get component. It's getting warm in here. One sec. There we go. damaged attribute. And let's also put all this effects and stuff inside. It's also an instant. Root component. So we're spawning that effect on the enemy, and now we should be back to where we just were. I think. No, hang on. There we go. Frick. Well, alright, what is it now? Something just broke. I wonder if it's Niagara. Suspended, not crashed? Oh dear. Ah. Alright, well, forget gameplay effects then. Those need a whole rework in order before they're ready to be used. They're light enough that I should be able to easily redesign them later down the line, but... Ah, crap. Crud. Oh, no, okay. It just tried to access... Oh, okay, no, that's fine. I didn't tell it to do any... pick what attribute it needed to damage. Alright, never mind. We're okay. It's good to know. Ugh. Okay. Whoopity-doo. Alright, where did that affect that? Base damage, we're going to do 20, and we are going to damage health. Alright. What the crap? There's two versions of this open. Alright, close it out. Continue. Yeah, try again. There we go. Alrighty. 25 damage to health. Here we go. Try again. Yes, there we go. Effects. So better, I'm going to do 10 damage and just reduce how much health they have. Place actor. There we go. No. That one. Enemy. Combatants. Faction tag. Category tags. Or it shouldn't be category. It should be category tag singular. Enemy. And then for... Where's health? Health. The enemy should have a fraction of what we have. So... Rank value curves. Nope. Value category adjustment, that's what we want. For the enemy, they'll have, let's say, 30% of whatever our player health is. And then, the enemy is going to attempt to apply that same effect to me, the player. Alright. Where's the granted abilities? Enemy attack. Get combatant effect. The power level, since I'm manually setting the how much damage is done in the effect, I probably don't need to worry about power level, but so now but so they do try to attack me. Come on. There, 10 damage. So it's doing better. 25%. That should take him out in 3 hits, yeah? 3 hits. 3 hits kills him, that's nice. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Not quite as snappy. That's what I would have liked, but whatever. Sweet. Sweet. Double sweet. That could honestly be condensed all into one ability where they play someone plays their attack montage and then that effect is applied, but it's okay. Sweet. All right. So now that we have effects working, I can actually do what's it? Character menu. I was actually working on before. Party instance. I wonder if. Yeah, I don't think that's happening. I like being independent anyway. Let's see. Genshin Impact Party. What I want to do is I want to create. Here's what I'll do. Blueprint. Oh, how about this? We'll use the same one for characters and for party. Character menu and environment. Background. We'll create a new character type. That's blueprint menu character. Ugh. Sorry. All right, you know what? Yes, I have. I have played not nearly as much as like obviously everyone else. I've only played up to like Leeway, but I have played Genshin Impact. Hence the idea. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother with a menu background. I know that's crappy, but oh man, but it's gonna look bad. Eh. Eh. Alright. Well, okay. Frick it. Frick it. Frick it. Frick it. Character menu root. What I'll do is this. Character menu root. And then party menu root. We'll use the same background basically. Mesh. Static mesh. Mesh. Sphere. Maybe just a sphere? Like a sky sphere? Definitely not that. Do I have engine content on? I don't. That would be explain it. All right. Set it super high so no one sees it. Then all right. Let me change that. Set me that high. Mesh. Current character. Can get a mannequin in there for reference. Now. Need a capture component. Or render target. Render target menu camera. Two scene capture component, that's what I want. And then drop this render target in, which we will make 1920 by 1080. Oh boy. Create material. New character. Should be an interface material. Dash use. Similar to the one we use for the map. User interface, there we go. Bit scrunched up though, isn't it? Hey boy. Okay. UI. Party formation. Character. Yeah, right. I can't change render opacity, huh? Alright, whatever. it's a bit closer. Probably, actually, probably that will do it. Oh boy. Not quite as pretty as I would have hoped. Ooh, wait. I could have a particle system in here, though. That might be able to help. Nope, wrong one. Not a particle system, though. No, a Niagara system. I think it's a wind particles and stuff. Like a hanging particles. Inside cloud fog. Nope. There we go. These stupid things are Cascade, not Niagara. I don't want any Cascade stuff, really. Well, it's fine. Data lister. That's what I want. Doo-doo-doo. Party UI. Party menu thumbnail. Or actually just party thumbnail. This is a smaller icon. Boy. Opens video button. Ah, too big. All right. Button and not texture image. Texture image. There we go. So now if I sort of add entries into that. Does it go horizontally? Yeah, that should be. Let's do a scroll box though. I can even make it bigger. 60 by 60. Perfect. Party list. Party system. Get assets. No. Get party list. Plug that in. And then hover the first entry. No. Just so we're always at the initial character. Okay. Visibility. And render opacity. Yeah, render doesn't look like render targets can be kind of opacity to them, which I guess makes sense. Like, there'd be a lot to have to constantly render, but I feel like it could be done, but not in this case. Let's check that menu again. Yeah. Party list on enter selected. So, what we're also going to do is create this menu background as soon as well, alongside the party system, but we'll just set it to invisible. So, create nodes, spawn party member instances. Sequence. Spawn actor from class. Background, I think I said. Menu, what did I call it? Character environment, or character menu environment. Menu background. It'll set itself to where it needs to go. Set menu background on. Set visible. Selector hidden game. Visible. Get party system. Set menu visible, and when we close out this menu, make it invisible. That way. Awesome. Menu. Update menu character. Party member instance. Member. Or say source member, because this will be the character that we're updating the appearance from. Mesh. Static mesh, what do I call it? Current character. Alright, set mesh. Wait, get data. Is that what we want? Is get animation? What do I call it? Get anim blueprint? Alright. Actually, I should use set the menu on before I hover, because it'll want to update the character and the menu. Update menu character plus to party member instance. There we go. Party status. Do I have a set party member? And that's instance as well. Well, that's easy. Actually, I don't want to hover. I want to select, don't I? Select, hover, then... Well, hover and then select. Alright. Party list, party status. Where's it? Update or set? Set party member. There we go. Let's try this out. Party setup. No, not party setup. Character. What the frick? Pause menu. Here we go again. Menu pause. Not party setup. It's under character, right? Characters. Oh, there we go. It's not plugged in yet. There. No, menu, characters. So, character. Which is still not doing anything. What the frick? Is it character singular? Oh, I see. I'm gonna get rid of that. Character singular. Hey. Big screen. Character. There we go. Doesn't that just look exactly like Genshin? Alright, and I switch around, it does update stuff appropriately, which is nice. This doesn't do much of anything. And really what it should be doing is changing, you know, zooming the camera in and changing the appearance and stuff as I do so. But that is not happening. Leveling asset? What? Oh, I don't have any leveling assets, do I? Shoot. Frick me. Alright. Leveling. Because I need one for friendship and need one for normal XP. Leveling asset. Level XP and level friendship. So, to get to level 1, you need 0 XP. To get to level... What's the top level? 5? We'll just say 10. You need 1,000 XP. Max rank is 10. FP, friendship points. Friendship. I need to add in that leveling component, too. Alright. The level 1 is 0 XP. What's like level 80? I know there's the stop gaps in it. You can only get to level whatever. But I'm not gonna worry about that. 10,000 XP to get to level 80. XP name, XP, and then just level. Well, might help this a little bit. Let's fight on the light. Rectangle light. Character. Nice, but let's bring him up a little bit. Alright, now, back to the party member menu thing. Party member instance, because that's where we need to pop in our leveling stuff. Friendship level 1. normal XP, max level's 80, right? Leveling meter, but also the friendship meter. We need the friendship meter. Floridian Mapper, hello! Thanks for joining us at the end. We're all together in the end, aren't we? Friendship. Get percentage to next level? I believe that's all I need to do. So now, character. Yep. Oh, actually, my the bottom friendship level is not 1, it's 0, isn't it? So now, there we go. No friendship with him. Which I don't have a player character in, so... Blech. So now I just need to have a system for swapping party members in and out. Yes. Really, if every party member instance is loaded in, all I need to do is rearrange their order. Yep. So let's do that. Player widget. Let's get it right out of the engine too. Game framework. Let's go to our save. RPG game save. On game started. I need it on game created as well. I need to add that function to the game save. So when I create when you create a new game, it can decide what to do. Clear out any stuff it doesn't want. Anyway. Midoriya and I think that's it. Glenn, Scarlet Rain. Yeah. Everybody's here. And if I drop this in, okay, it's going to pop up everyone on the side there, which we don't want. We only want the active party members. So... Menu. Get party list. We should do. Active only. No, only. If it's false, we'll get everyone. But if it's true, then we'll only get the first 4. Let's say filtered list. For each loop. Their index is less than 4, so that'll be the first 40 power members. Then add them to the filtered list. And when that's done, return that instead. So now, let me think. If I go to party in the UI, party HUD, I just have to tell them to get the active only. Boom, only the top 4. But if I go into here, I have an instance for every single one of the party members right there. Sweet. Oh, no, I got pretty tired. So, party formation menu now. Background frame. Oops. Say list member 1. Is he over 200? Actually, yeah, we should try to keep them maybe 100 meters separated from each other. not, this is not meters, it's 100 centimeters, I think. So number 3 would be at 50, and then 150 for number 4. Set root menu, set party menu on. Set visibility and propagate children. And if it's true, then be sure to update these guys to the new red-blooded American here. Do I sound? I don't think it sounds like I have an accent. I don't know why I would. For each loop. And then get party menu. I'll get party system. I'll be honest, guys, I'm starting to have second thoughts about whether I want to release this on the marketplace or not, because I'm mostly right now working to get it done, and I'm actually not super happy with the state it's in. I'm learning a lot, and I may make something similar, but as of right now, I don't know how I feel about, if I feel comfortable releasing this. I just don't think it's good enough, but we will see. There's a massive sun glare right there. See, get active, get party member by index. So that's a valid index. Then say set visibility on, but not just visibility off. Set mesh, set skeletal mesh, get data, get mesh. Yeah, okay. Set character menu on. Set visibility. Because who knows what else I want to add into this. And propagate to children, of course. So set menu background on. Actually, I'm going to use this a byte for this type. There, I can get the menu type. Set menu. Select. All right, so there. Yeah. All right, back to the formation menu. Or the character menu, I mean. Party menu, party formation, character. Here we go. Yeah, it's gonna look weird, but what I'm gonna do is set this byte to 1, so it's gonna open up the. Where is it? So it'll open up the character menu, not the party menu. Background. All right, and now for not formation. Yeah, formation menu. Not formation member. Blech. Here we go. Sequence. Delay. Set that off and get active. Oh, I told him to get the active list, right? Or get party list. I think. Oh, thanks, man. I mean, I appreciate what other people think. So I'll be honest. I think I could have planned this out better and probably picked a time where I wasn't as swamped with work and done well, I mean, in order to get the time where I wasn't swamped, I would have had to push back more, and I didn't want to do that since I already did. But I definitely could have planned this out better, and I think it could have gone smoother. But if you guys are happy with how it turned out, then I appreciate that. Save game, menu environment, get party member by index. Okay. So I don't need to just get active. Should be fine. Let's wait. Add one more thing in. Need to be able to close on cancel. And then add in that to the pause menu. Abilities. That's the ability to open the pause menu. Make sure I have the right option there. Party. First of all, some of this stuff is going. We're getting rid of shops. Actually, I'm probably going to get rid of most of this. Alright. Party setup. Okay, so I can open the menu. I need to actually put the right stuff in, though. It's so cool. Just copy and paste the background. Menu back. Party menu? Here we go. No, that's the HUD. We need the menu, not the HUD. Come on. Yee! Hold on. Hold on, we only got one. Thank you, Phantom Man. I really do appreciate it. The frick? You party member by index. Yeah. The heck? Maybe I need to update the materials on them. Get materials. Oh, because I'm only getting list member 1. That's why. I need to get whichever one is being accessed. There we go. So now party member. Yeah! Although red can be there. Red can be there. So should red be there? Yeah, red can be there. I just need to load in the party character menu. Menu character. Basically need to copy this into the party menu. And yeah, use active only for get image. Actually, set color. Get color. Because that'll get the color of the element, because... No, it won't. Alright, cast to instance... No, cast to instance. Party member instance, there we go. Get data. Set texture. get element, get color, no, get color, drop that in, and then icon. Fill. That ain't it. That ain't what I want. Nope. There we go. Although, should I push this a little to the side? 1.5. There we go. And this will be his character name. Name text widget. Click that in. Now, one more look. Menu character. Okay. There's the options at the top. Party, quick setup. Yeah, I basically... This is fine for... I would just... I just need a button. Well, I need to make them smaller, but then I need a button for you to click. Data wish party information. 300. 350? 350. Alright, give me a button. Hovered will be 0.5. And transparent for when pressed. I should add some event dispatchers, really. Okay. Right there. Now I almost feel like I need to add a camera in for... Oh, no, I don't. No, I don't. Okay. Is this menu? Yeah. Custom target character. What this will do is have us like move the camera towards to look at a specific character. On. Move component to. Get menu characters. We can add a reference to the specific one we want to get. And then get relative location. Should be the same rotation. And then also for each loop, I also want to hide everyone else. Return set hidden in game to false. And for everyone who is not equaling the character we're targeting, we want to... This is getting very spaghetti Cody very quickly. Alright, now set our target character. Index. Oh, I've just spotted an issue. Nope, nope. It's good that we're using hidden in game because that way, if they're still invisible, it won't override that. Menu. And we're actually going to not make this a scroll box, but a uniform grid. No, a box. Just normal box. No, we got to be a scroll box because it's got to fit with where the characters are. Frick. Alright. Better long term would be I have the cursor like actually consider them as hovered when it hovers over the mesh, but eh. Okay. Menu pause, menu party. Data lister on entry selected. Menu, get menu background. Set. Not character menu. What was it? What did I say? Target character. Target character. See if we can get that far at least. Party setup. Nope. Did I plug the buttons in? Is that why? Or did I not plug the buttons in? I bet I didn't. Yeah, I didn't. Okay. Party setup. Okay. That was fine. That I just need to switch the menu. So there's actually an easy way to do that. Menu back. Switcher, widget switcher. So now I can make a party selection menu on the side there. Active party. Then drop another one in. Reserve party. Swapping out will be swapping the character we selected with someone who's in our reserve party. So, set swapping. Boop. Set widget. Set active widget. Menu, not menu back. Active party if it's false, and then reserve party if it's not. In reserve party, I'll need to make a new, like a panel thing. User interface, UI, party list. And again, I will use a vertical list instead of a canvas pan or a uniform grid because that's still not working right. So 900. Actually, overlay. But not overlay, because I'm gonna have it fill up this whole thing. Scroll box. This isn't really making me want to work on my own RPG though. Like where I don't have to worry about making it exactly like, where I can just prototype and make stuff that looks good. Okay, scroll box vertical, party thumbnail, not a thumbnail, pause option. I think I need to make a new data widget for party members. Crap. All right. Party UI. Party simple option. That's simply simple option. Background color to 0.01. And then horizontal box. Vathu. Oopsies. 90. I'm offset 5, so that's actually the perfect amount. Perfect. I probably want to show what their health is, don't I? Okay, let's see. Here's how we'll do that. Vertical box. Horizontal box. Name. Then txt. No, keep that. Actually, we'll do this. Level. Perfect. Level. Name, and then I'm not gonna waste time setting up the combatant component. I think that'll take longer. Actually, no, no, it won't. Will it? Nah, yeah, because the combatant component doesn't, like, this will never be updated in real time. It's always just gonna be a static, or it should always be a static HP meter. But I guess for safety, I could. Alright. Cast to party instance. Remember? Texture image. Plug that in. Name. Plug that in. Text name. No, that's already. Set text. Get combatant. Level. And. Sorry, 1 second. Oh, I'm getting very tired. I've only been at this for about an hour and a half. Feels weird if I'd finished the thing off stream, though, you know? Like, it's not that official. I mean, it's not very official anyway, but... Get attribute percentage of health. Make sure it's green. And plug the button in. Okay. Include active. And include reserve. What's best is I should also add in the party member specifically. Oh, actually, that's actually a better idea. We'll go into the party member instance specifically and add a variable that checks there if they're active in the party or not. Is active in party. Party system. Get party list. That's going to be a circular loop. Okay, I'm gonna make this not private then, just so I can access that raw variable for anywhere if I need it. Find. And if this is less than 4, that means that this character is active in the party. Boy, oh boy. There's our UI party list. All right. Get party. For each loop. Check is active in party. Wait a okay. This will be a complicated set of stuff. If they're both, or I guess we're doing 3 ands. If they're both active, or both of these are selective, if we include both, or else if I include active and he is active, or I include reserve and he's not active, then in any of those scenarios, add him to the list. List. Party formation. Okay, let's just make sure that by default we have both checked. All right, in here, reserve UI party list. $600, offset bottom by maybe 100, offset top by 100, offset by 50. And then, once reserve party. What I should actually do, add a update to this. This will be just so I can rerun this every time a party changes. Update party. Update party. And then, oh yeah, I need to go into, let's see, UI party list. When a entry selected, cast to party member instance, and on member selected. Member, toss in their index as well, why not? Not that I think I'll need it much, but oh, yeah, that's fine. On member selected. and set target character off. And then, well, first I actually need to swap party members. Get party. Swap. Oh yeah, this is where I need to access their index. Okay. Okay, party member. Get party index. Return index. Boy, oh boy. Let's finish this. I need to get more water. Get party index. And swap whichever character I selected, too. Selected member. Bang. All right. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Party setup. Glenn. Nope. Why not? I think I know why. Set swapping. Oh, I got an idea. Selected member, and that way we can just do the swapping from here. What? Party list. No, that's set. Gosh dang it, get party list. Right, set swapping. Set swapping. So that in here, update party. And set target character off. Off. Bang. Oh man, if I release it tomorrow, maybe it'll be ready. We'll have to see because today's the. But yeah, who knows how? Maybe even the end of today. I don't know. We'll see. Epic. Although I need to clear the party list first. And there's honestly not going to be much to play anyway, sorry, but just like see, hey. Well, yeah, I said clear list first, right? Oh, but I did not clear the, okay. This needs to be cleared. UI party list. Bang, 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 bang. Clear list, so I don't have any residual data. I don't know. Party, Glenn. Frick you. Party setup. Okay, but it didn't close out of the menu. Why not? Ah, but it set it to the frickin' frick. First up, last index, because we need to restore it to the place it was at before. What? What? Oh boy. I am sick. I feel sick. Frick it. Frick it all. If it's false, then a return to whence you came. Ah. It's running the same thing. Is the issue. So, oh, I probably need to move the camera, not the character. Wait, no. Oh man. I don't know why this isn't working. Return, right? What's it throwing him all the way over there for? Oh. I got it. I see. Okay. In fact... Actually, no. This doesn't make any sense either. Oops. And it didn't put it back. It did... Alright. I ain't got time to deal with this. No. So... Screw that. And, where's the background? Character, menu, environment. Screw this too. I'm getting rid of these. I'm not handling that. I'm not worrying about that. Party setup. Party list, party formation, party menu. Why did I even do? What did I do vertical box for? Oh yeah. Well. There we go. Text. Text will be their name. Name current. Set swapping. Oh boy. Get text, I think? Yeah, get German data text. Oh, freaking dogs. One sec, y'all. Alright. Sitting down now, too. Had my fill of standing up. Why? What the heck? 1 second, y'all. Weird. Come on. Move back to where you were. There you go. Okay. Boy. Also need to make this invisible. You know what I'll probably do? If I can get oh no, I can't do that. Never mind. I was gonna say I'll release the whole project code, but it contains the asset stuff from the asset store, so I can't do that. Otherwise, I would. I think if I do something like this again, I'll try to stick it to. Ah, frick. I don't know, man. Okay, first things first. Or, well, whatever order. This is only going to include reserve members. So now, I go in, party setup, replace Glenn with Rain. Boom! But if I go out, oh, it doesn't restore the party, or the HUD. Yeah, I just realized something. How I lay out the HUD doesn't really work. Alright. Where's the main HUD? Guess I'm condensing everything onto the main HUD. Whatever. Party UI. Oops. Drop that sucker right here. Makes sense anyway. And code should be simple enough to copy over from there. What little of it there was. Yeah, alright. Sequence. Party list. Quest will need to work the same way, but at least now. Yeah, there we go. Alright, party set up. Switch them out for someone else. Yay! Now if I go to 2, boom! Perfect. The only issue is if I get out with, oh man. I need to make sure to update, change leader, redo the leader. Okay, where's the party system? Here, I'll make a new function here. So you have one for changing leader. Changing leader, alright. We'll make a simpler one called refresh leader. Actually, that's there. Yeah, there we go. The party leader. Because this will remember who the last leader was. Then get by asset. Member data, change leader. Oh, do I need to do that? remember who was in the leader position. Right. So, you get index. Oh yeah, that's better. Leader index. You say about the index of the party leader. That's probably the quickest way to change out their data too. Get leader index. Because then I just re-get the index from that point. And if it's the same leader, no problem. And if it's not, then we just update it to the new one. So let's say I have Lena, and then I go to party setup and switch her out for Rain. Nope. Well, I know why actually. The reason is because when I switched, it didn't update. All right, so that makes sense. Leader, refresh leader. That's not what I wanted to do. Party setup, Medora. Perfect, there we go. I mean, she is not appearing properly up there in the corner. And that's something I'll need to update. Oh yeah, Waifu Labs is really cool. And I like it. It helps me with just like an inspiration for character design too. Alright, is this enough? What else did I have on that list now that I got character menu working finally after an hour and a half? Dungeons. That actually might be easier. Chests. Frick chests, honestly. I'd probably... Okay, you know what? Screw it, I'm not doing crafting. No adventure rank. And I'm not taking care of doing any of those abilities. All I'm going to do left... I'm going to do dungeons and then generate a bunch of items. And maybe put them in chests. And maybe add a couple more quests. Just because all those systems are at least working. So let me close out all this stuff. Yeah. Oh, I forgot I had this. I had a bit of pie left over. I didn't realize that. Key. Boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Alright, dungeons. Fortunately, that's what Dungeon Architect is for. Game systems, dungeons. We'll do themes and test map dungeon. Dungeon theme 1. I'm probably only going to have one dungeon theme. If any of you have not used Dungeon Architect, it's pretty rad. Alright, so here we go. See, what do you do? Markers. Alright. Sky Dungeon, this is helpful. Floor. Wall separator fence. Floor. Ground, there we go. frick? Are these all off-centered? Alright, well. In that case. Window. Help. Window asset? Don't I have dungeon preview? Not that. Preview settings. Yeah, where's that? Where's that at? It ain't this. Windows. Launchpad? Support? Yeah. Although I probably should add an in-engine support for Omega. Not what I want, not what I want. Actions, markers. Previous things. This is supposed to be like a dungeon preview settings or whatever. I guess not? What the heck happened to it? Well, anyway. Build dungeon. Excuse me, build dungeon. What? Grid dungeon? Is it doing it? Oh yeah, it's doing it. It's just... Is there no light? There's no light. I'm a dummy. Skylight. Come on, don't crash on me now. Alright. This is gonna be so, like, basic. Boy. Is 400 the right size? 400 build dungeon. Yeah, 400's, appropriate. See, wall. There gotta be better walls than that, I think. Are there? Maybe not. Wall separator. Oh my. Oh, that's a big one. I don't need anything that big. Fence. Better yet. How does this look? Nope, nope. Fence separator. I mean, it's okay. It's not that pretty looking. It's functional, though. Oh, I don't have a roof tile, do I? Let's try this. Emitter. Markers. I need a new emitter. That ain't right. marker emitters. Come on, I have to have a custom emitter. Fence separator. Grid. Oh, there we go. Now I should. Am I able to make more now? Come on, fence separator, wall half. Blah 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 blah. Add comment. Marker node. There we go. Ah boy. Ceiling. I don't remember how ceiling's spelled right now. There we go. 400. 400's about right. I need to scale them up a tiny bit though. Yeah, there we go. And then just make it sure they only appear on room tiles. What? Spawn logic. Oh, selection logic. Here we go. Room. Yes. Man, that does not look great though. Okay, I think this'll do. Build dungeon. Now I just gotta find a starting spot. Yeah, some of this is ridiculous. I can't even walk up the stairs. Um, 150. 200. There we go. That's big, but I guess it works. Try to match the size. Gate frame? Door frame? Maybe. .75. 0.6. You need a frame at the top there too. There we go. This might be better with the grid flow dungeons though. So dungeon, where is it? Dungeon architect, grid flow graph. Really, I just need rooms in court and corridors. Build? That's close, but not quite what I want. Oh, there's 3 of the same type, it looks like. That's pretty simple. Debug. Okay, I kind of like the logic of these. Or the look of these. Wait, create elevation. Oh, is that in the background or on the side? Because one issue I did have with this previously is it's all... Yeah, it looks like it's still on a flat plane, all of it. Oh well, I'll still use it. Game systems. Dungeon. Copy here. Genshin dungeon flow. Windows performance build. I need the preview stuff. Is what I need. Preview dungeon settings. Build. Grid. What is this? Grid flow graph. Can I change that? Grid flow builder. Oh, perfect. There are a few different types of these to select from. Give me some variety. Don't know why it's flipping out where the locations of everything is though. What the frick? Oh, okay. What was this? Like that. The corners are all weird is the problem. Room selector. What the frick? Yeah, no, room. That's what I want, right? Oi. Alright, well, what do you call that then, if not a room? What the frick? Wait a second. Frick me. And it just crashed because I stupidly hit build when there was nothing to build. It's 5:11 already. Yeesh. You do not have any debugging symbols required? Ah, oh, frick off. No way. I'm about up in my wits' end with this, so I think I'm just gonna try to start adding stuff onto the main map. I'll probably pull the starter map for the Sky Dungeon pack. Use that as the only dungeon you can go into. Then just start adding stuff on the normal map and be done with it. I'll be honest, I knew there was no way I was getting this done in a week, obviously. Even when I had planned. Though I thought I would get more than this done, so. But hey. It's okay, it happens sometimes. Alright. Alright. So this is gonna be a tiny map, isn't it? Let me guess. Yeah, okay. This is gonna be our dungeon, guys. What on earth is that down there? Whoa! What the heck? Oh my goodness! I can use these clouds in the opening, probably. Nice. Okay. Alright, well, hang on. Yeah, okay. This is where it starts us. Alright. I need to remove that sphere from prototyping. What the heck? Oh, there we go. And start adding sounds in too. Adding sounds and adding some sort of glider. So add an enemy sphere. Oh, I can add some treasure chests and stuff in here. Sweet. And can I climb this? No, but what I can do. This is sweet. I can actually, okay. I can put some chests with probably nothing in them. Components. Well, instead, I don't want to. I won't add in climbing. What I'll do instead is just this. Grab chest. Sweet. Actors, chests. Can I glide over here? Oops. So I can glide all the way over there. Nope. Oh wait, I can climb though. Sweet! And then give me that chest. No, I just fall to my death. But if I can add one boss enemy in here, then like as soon as I come in, these doors lock, and then a boss enemy appears right there. And then that'll spawn a portal outwards after we're done. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do with the dungeon. Done. Come on. Skeleton. There's the boy. Let's add him to a collection. I probably should have done that at the start. Come on, where is it? Why can I not just... Oh, we have to make a collection first. Enemies. Okay. There you go. Ah. Okay. Nope. 1 second. No. There we go. Alright. Game data. I need to make a dungeon asset. Like data asset. Game systems, dungeons. Data asset. Dungeon. Dungeon name. Dungeon level. Alright. Dungeons. Dungeon 1. As in the only one I'm making. Sky Dungeon Demo. Sky Dungeon. Skyward Dungeon. How about that? It's a fine name. That, no. Wrong one. Then dialogue needs to go in dungeon. Which means this prefab should probably be an actor, not a prefab. Frick. Well, whatever. Back to test map. Not create actors. Cannot convert actors. What is it? Merge actors. Let's see if this works. Dungeon. No. Blueprint. Dungeon. Dungeon. Not dungeon door. Exterior. Ah, frick you. Okay. It converted it into a static mesh. That's not what I wanted. Ah, frick. Fine, fine. We're gonna work with this for now. Entrance. What I will do, I'll remove this. I'll remove the dungeon door from the prefab just so I can add it myself and it doesn't risk saving over the actual prefab. And then menu, dungeon, entrance. They're called domains in Genshin, right? Oh dear. Internet's being very sluggish. You know, I'm not doing the entrance. I'm just gonna, you enter the dungeon and you'll go inside. That's how I'm gonna handle it. Sorry. This music is from it's called Trails from Zero, I believe. It's a Legend of Heroes Trails from Zero. So, all right. Well, I'm not adding in the menu just because that'll take a little bit more time to set up, and I want to actually get stuff implemented into the playable version. I also get some sounds in because it's too quiet. So what we're gonna do when you interact, just gonna instead take you. Get RPG player. And then fade, quick fade. 0.7. Out. Hold and finish. I'm going to fade to white. Get level. And interface mode. None. It's now. Too late. Too long. Did I do the right fade? Yeah. I did the wrong fade macros. Or macro. Oh man. Fade even finished? Alright, now let's try it. Oh dear, I'm way far away. Whee! So now we'll make us a big skeleton boy. Or maybe I kind of want it to be a different enemy. What do we got? What's a good looking enemy? Slime man. Sure. Enemy slime man. Let's make him bigger. I think he can be a larger fellow. That's all right. You can T-pose on me. Okay. Probably make this into a door, not prefab, but a blueprint. That where I can tell doors to shut. blueprint. Blueprint door. There we go. I wasn't trying to open it. There we go. Right. For state. Let's just do that. Set open. Set relative rotation. $130, and I'm assuming the other one is a straight $130? Yeah. I also got those backwards, didn't I? Yes, I did. Okay, let's see. Trigger. Not how I would recommend doing this if I was doing this, like, if I was running a repeatable thing, but when you're short on time, you do what you gotta do. On collision, active begin overlap. Cast to default. Set boss on. Slime Man. Set time dilation and set hidden in game. Get AI. Where is? I can't access it? Shoot. Get the door as well, and close the door so you be stuck in. Oops. Whee! Hey, that didn't shut. Oh, because I said it open. That's why. Hey, you. Heh. Dungeon Architect. I'm looking for particles. Niagara FX. Here we go. Niagara system. It's a nice looking system. It's gotta be a looping one though. Portal! Sweet. Blueprint. Dungeon. Exit. Exit. Dungeon. But I'm actually gonna make a function on the game instance for changing levels, just so it's more consistent. I can call it. Custom. Open. Say open map. Spawn point. Set level spawn point. Oops, no. Set exit enabled. Set collision. Okay. Literal Have I ever used Vroid models in Unreal? Yes, I have used them a little bit. I honestly thought about implementing those for this, but the issue basically would have to come with the amount of time it would take to retarget everything. Maybe I will. I don't know. It's not a bad idea, honestly, but that actually would be a good idea to make just models that'll go along with those characters, so I can use them in other stuff. What is Vroid's? I'll need to double check Vroid's license as far as what you can use their models for, though. All right. Delete. All right. Get game ins. Do I have a? I don't have a function for the RPG game instance. Yeah, I figured it would be. I was just wondering if there's any specific stuff when it comes to licensing, though. Stuff you can or can't do. I have been using Unreal for about 5 years. Honestly, that's one of the reasons I thought I'd probably stream less, is because I've been a lot quieter this stream. During the other streams, I go slower because I'm talking to myself out loud or talking to the chat. When I'm not going on the chat, I tend to go pretty fast, yeah. I also make some spelling mistakes, though, so I need to be careful of that. I just mentally process, like, information like this fairly quickly, and I actually need to keep these on. I'm going for the, yeah, okay. Sure. Get RPG instance. It's also getting a little cold in here, so my fingers are going slower, or starting to do. Level. You know what I should do? I should make a game. Hang on. I'm gonna make an interface for spawn points. So like when I go into a new level, I can determine where I want to spawn based on it. So interface. Spawn point name or label. Label point location. Yeah, this is going to send us back to the exterior area. level append exit point. It's an easy way of creating spawn point name, as long as we match it right. Set time dilation. Custom time dilation. Did I set global time dilation for the enemy? I need to check. No. Okay, good. And then this guy. Add event character on destroyed, and this guy dies. Let's give us that spawn point, or activate this so we can leave. Set enabled. All right, back to maps. No. Village. Not Ruin Village. Medieval Village. That's also not right. Hang on, it's got to load up with the village map now, or the overworld map, I guess it'd be. Alright, and so go to exit. Die. Yay! This is the wrong spot completely, but yay! Okay, let's run through quickly. They're not seeing me, that's annoying. Hello. I'm right here. I have no character abilities, which sucks. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Ah, I need a spawn point there, I guess. Well, actually, now I can start putting stuff where it needs to go. Oh, I see what's going on. Yeah, okay. It's popping me here, but that level hasn't loaded in yet, so see. Actually, it's not loading in at all, but it shouldn't be dropping me because now I have the blocking volume. Unless I have two. Which I do. All right. What the frick? Oh, that's on the... Okay, I get it. That's on the wrong level. Load stream level by name. Better also block on level stream loading, whatever. Flush. Async loading thread need. Async load. Use background level streaming. Turn that off. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's not a very smooth climbing, is it? But hey, I can at least climb. I can't climb that way very well. Oh no! Probably should increase my stamina time. But yeah, let's boost my character's stamina time, because it's really feeling really crappy to have to run everywhere on foot. Or I guess we're just reducing the amount of time stamina is being drained. Here we go. Health and stamina drain. I should quadruple my stamina amount. Yeah, which is actually quite a lot. I probably don't need that much. Oh, wait, actually, I more than quadrupled it. Oh. Or did it? There you go. Probably actually keep that to 1, and then when it's draining, it'll recharge faster than it drains. Or is it doing it the other way? Oh yeah. Right, because negative is to heal. Alright. Time to pull some instancing magic. We're gonna add a new variable called wander. Scan the character's wander event. Delay. No. Yeah, just self. Origin point. Get random reachable point radius. Get random floating range. No, 1 to 2.5. Alright, now I can just grab Pro Instance and start dropping some NPCs in. Pro scatter NPC. My gosh. What if I do snapping? And boost him up. It's the global one. Plants and changes to blueprint. To walk around, obviously. And these fellers actually need to be on the map where the level is. The Pro Scatter. Move a selection to current level. That's moving too fast. It ain't Pro Scatter I want to edit. Random floating range. We'll do this twice. And then character movement to 150. Looks like they all just decide, I guess I'll walk. They need to be walking by the time we start. Load in. Look, it's a city full of Mackinons. They're like spawning into each other. That ain't what I want. Oy, oy. Die. I can attack him, at least. Not that it'll do anything. I'm gonna close these doors up here. Yeah, no getting in there. Alright, let's go drop some camps or whatever. Escape. Flatten. I can have a camp there. Hmm. Where's this path? Yeah, well, I guess I'm blocking stuff off more now, just so people can't go there. Because I spoil all the fun. Make sure this stuff's actually in the ground instead of causing me trouble. Oops. Look, a boxed out canyon. It's like red versus blue. It's a boxed out canyon. Sculpt. Sculpt. Ooh, look! Water! Who put that water there? I did not tell you to minimize. How dare you? Oi, hi. Starting to hit the frame rate. Oh, I'm seeing it on the screen too. Is performance even going? Because like, ah, crap. Yeah, I'm frozen. My stream's completely frozen, guys. I have no idea what's going on. And now the engine's frozen. I feel like this is a sign to stop soon. But I gotta at least get stuff in the map. Why is it's going so slow all of a sudden? What the heck just happened? I just got a black screen. Y'all there? Oh dear. Alright, I'm probably gonna have to stop in a minute just because, frick. Just because I'm having, sorry, my internet's starting to have its fill, get tired of me, it looks like. No, not erase. Flatten. And there will go the dungeon. Okay. Alright. Moral of the story, don't design games this way. That's copyrighted. There we go. I mean, so is the other stuff, but at least I can use that. Actually, better maybe instead of no collision, we'll make it overlap. All right, now camps, enemy camps. There's not another crap to do here, man. I guess you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Sorry, I'm taking all the fun out. So now, to be fair, with the the marketplace assets that I've had available and had access to, I'd say this looks a lot closer to a final project than I would have expected getting in 7 days. Like, definitely on my own. Like, this looks very vaguely in the vicinity of like, oh, I could see that's like a Genshin style game of maybe a few months into early developments, but it's mostly just how stuff is laid out visually. I want to add a little more life to the world. I have those different animals. I think I imported an animal pack. It's crazy. That's all I got done though. But oh, and that's all been in there. That's not good. Ah, whatever. I exited the world outliner. I want that. Grand City. Walder's Gate. I'll say abandoned village. I think I'll add a particle effect to these two just to make them look a little nicer. What effect? I don't know. Whatever one we decide. If I can find one that I think looks good, at least. That's an explosion, so that's temporary. We'll use the portal again. There you go. Can I make it smaller though? There we go. Now if I open up the map. Wait, what? Map's not working. World map. Is the border? The border's in front, that's why. Put it behind the list. Map. I gotta load in the village. To I'm surprised it's still streaming because on Restream it just says it's dead basically. Ruin Village Demo 1. Okay. Village Demo 1. Okay, appears to be working now. I think. Okay. Hang on. Ruin Village Demo 1. Maps. Walter's Gate. It's mostly just big and empty, though. That's the problem. There's no chests or anything to find either. Well, oh, it's past 6 now. Yeah. Yeah, alright. I think... I have one dungeon in. What? Why is it freezing? I literally just added a static mesh. There we go. Alright, you guys, you saw nothing. There never was a village. What are you talking about? Oh boy. Oh boy. Alright, and we're going to stick a big old blocking volume here. And then what we're going to do is just add in more bandit camps or skeleton camps. You cannot go this way at all. I refuse to allow it. Come on, come on, come on. Oops. Hopefully that'll keep them out. Okay. Well, let's add in some more trees just to make things look less crap. I think out in more bandit camps, more trees, then get some sounds, and I'm done. I am done. Boy. You know, it doesn't look very good for like a Genshin thing, but honestly, if this is like, I don't know, if this was like this isn't too far off from like what you've seen in some of the more recent Tales games in terms of environments, and mostly I just need more interesting things to do. Maybe I can make one more bad dungeon. Oops. Oops. Slide it out. Move it over. Gosh dang it. Okay. These are pro instant scatter. Okay, I think I'm about ready to call this part of it quits. At the very least, I'm going to stop streaming soon here. And then I'll try to just finish up a little bit of audio stuff and then release it tomorrow, I guess. Just show what I have. Okay. All right. Yeah. And then we can add a new waypoint. I feel like this isn't even a Genshin remake anymore. No, okay, so here's what's up, David. This thing I'm making now, obviously I can't release on the marketplace because it uses a lot of stuff already from the marketplace assets. I was initially planning on releasing the base code for the framework on the Unreal Marketplace, but at this point, honestly, it's the process of actually creating the base code has gone so not poorly, but for the sake of time, I've integrated it so messily that I can't. I wouldn't feel right releasing it on the marketplace because it's just not good enough. I'd be selling a product that I didn't think was, worth selling. It wasn't something I would want to. Because my standard for stuff I sell in the marketplace is would I use this hypothetically? Would I want to use this? Is this good enough for me to use? And this, in long term, isn't. So I really don't know. Honestly, probably not. After all, why isn't this sculpting? Oh, because I'm on smooth. I'll probably just spend my time trying to make it look pretty. trees. Yeah, okay. I can still use some tree scatter though, right? Yeah, probably not as much, but also, I appreciate you showing up, David. Though I am about to finish up, so and finish like the rest of this probably off camera or off stream. We got a nice little beach area here. That'll be fun. Yeah. Randomize seed. Change the distance on this one. Oof. Game framework. Some boys just chilling on the beach. Oh no. Oh no! What just happened? Ah, that's fine. Really gonna kill a bunch of boys just chilling on the beach? I would. If they're skeletons, ugly. I mean, does anyone really deserve to live if they're ugly? Obviously, for legal reasons, that's a joke. No, obviously I'm kidding. But I think these guys can do with not living. Yeah, let me just get some more trees to scatter. And then one more dungeon, and then I just want to get sound in. Cliff. Okay. Okay. So we got one dungeon here. Alright, let's just get that last dungeon in. Oh, I'm about to hit the 4-hour mark. Man. Alright. So that's dungeon over this one. Check out the Underworld map. Rename. Now, is it just a single corridor? It looks like it might be. Okay, well, I'll modify it a little bit then. Because we gotta make it look like there is an entrance. Dungeons, not dungeon. I mean, yes, dungeons, but entrance. I'll say that, like, as this is a bit of a as a Genshin remake, it's absolutely a failure, but it is definitely giving me ideas for stuff I want to do for my next game. So not a total failure. I'm sideways. Alright, let's get some enemies to just populate the area with. Snap. Location 100 and maximum. Here we go. Yeah, nah. Come on. There we go. Okay. I think that is as much as I can do on stream, and I will finish up the rest off stream. Hi. I'm exhausted. Well, thanks. Thanks everyone for coming with me on this ridiculous 7 days. I'm planning on doing a wrap up video probably sometime this week. Maybe even it'll end up next week. I don't know, but I'll finish up a little bit, and then some sort of wrap up video that summarizes and covers the whole experience. And then obviously, if I feel like it, end up releasing, or if you guys really badly want to release the build of the game. So I got a fair bit done, but yeah, not nearly as much as I was hoping. So, but that was kind of inevitable. So, all right, well, there you are. There's the stream, at least the full stream of Genshin Impact. Yeah, I guess that's it's not very grand, but why would I remake the game? Because I am very dumb, and I have poor life choices. No, yeah, it's literally just it's a fun exercise I wanted to do. See how much of the game I could remake in 7 days, and the answer is not much, but also not nothing. I would say what I got so far, especially for a week, if you're just like trying to pitch a prototype, it's not terrible. Like there's definitely like as far as like a very early prototype, there's stuff to work with, but yeah, nowhere near close to what Genshin would be. But that was kind of the expectation. Anyway, all right. Thanks everyone for joining. Thanks Matthew. Yeah. I'm gonna need a break before I get back to finishing this up. But thanks for joining me. Just a reminder for something that is, if you're in the mood for something that is not very what is this, prototyping, not very rough, and is actually a lot more polished. Remember, just a reminder, Mariposa and the Galaxy Man is now available on Steam. It's a game I've been working on with Ink Rose for about a year. This thing has been in development for about a year. Yeah. The demo is going to be coming out fairly soon, so if you want to go ahead and wishlist this on Steam, it's the first game to utilize the Omega game framework for Unreal Engine 4, which is the framework I developed. Yeah, and that is about all. I will see you guys later. Thanks again.